Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some brown stew fish. Yeah, brown stew fish guys. So watch what I go on in the kitchen and be about this. Now my brown stew fish, we have some sweet corn. You understand what I did? Not the one in the tin, the one on the yeah, so watch what I go on in the kitchen today guys. Be about this. Yeah guys, so see the fish, I'm seasoned up the fish already. You understand what I did? So what I go do? I go fry it and make gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Watch your badness. I light up the stove and make gonna see what I go on guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I light up the stove and yeah guys, so stove light up. Yeah, make it oil go on hot. I go fry some fish. I'm gonna see what I go on guys. Some bad brown stew fish I cook this evening. Remember me tell them soon come back guys. I make the oil go on hot. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, some oil hot. Bad brown stew fish guys. Yeah guys, so you don't know about this going in the kitchen now. You understand now leave it and go and fry it. Don't know what the video. So I go on. You understand now leave it there. Soon come back. Guys, so I go and knife up. Be about it. Be about it, guys. Guys, meantime the fish are frying, what I will do, I will feed up some pumpkin, carrot. You don't know about this already, so watch how I go on in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'll peel up the pumpkin and the carrot and the Irish. You understand now this? So guys, watch about this in the kitchen. I'll take out them fish there and put in some other one. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. Yeah, Jenka paper now. I don't know about this already. Guys, now I'm going to tell her. Be about it. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna cut up some carrot and pumpkin now, so watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, I see that brown snowfish here. It can go bad. Remember me tell you guys, just watch the video and see wow I'm gonna put in it. You understand now these guys, nothing else started, watch the badness. Right now I'm gonna just peel up me, cut up my carrot, peel up my pumpkin and my Irish guys. Watch the badness in the kitchen, yeah. Soon come back. Yeah guys, I'm gonna cut up the carrot and the pumpkin and my Irish now. You understand? Be a badness guys. Be a badness. Some bad brown stew fish. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna rinse them off, light up my stove and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand how they be about this guys. Yeah guys, so light up the stove again. So I go on the wire so carrot, pumpkin and Irish. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. I'll season up the pot and I'll put in some fish season. And I have a soup it up. Pumpkin soup it up, guys. I don't know. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Remember me to the hard purpose, everything. Guys, that's your badness in the kitchen. Little black pepper. Guys, be a badness sniper. I'm gonna put a fish season, guys. I'll put only one. And I will put, guys, I will put a hard purpose. Brown season scallion thyme and pepper, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make that one cook. I'm gonna taste if you want any salt. Cause I don't know the seasoning when we use have a lot of salt. You understand how I do? Well, me good. So far, me good. The overs. No one no salt adds. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back, guys. I'll be about this. what I'm gonna do now, put in the fish. You understand how they get put in the fish now, guys. Yeah guys, give him a couple more minutes and then we take him off. You understand what I did? So stay tuned for the finishing look. Going straight, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Guys, we have some okra. I will just bust them in a two, drop them on the top of the one. Understand what I mean? Guys, I be a badness. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a brown stew fish, guys. That one I have a bad me now life, you tell you. Guys, just give this little more time, guys. I be a badness. Nah, like it, be a badness, guys. Brown stew fish. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So you know I'm gonna put in now the can. You understand now? I'm gonna put in the can, guys. So watch your badness. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen, you know, me not like it, you know. Just stay tuned to the finishing look. Mm-hmm. Guys, I'll can another one, so you must know okra, everything. Name it. See me fish they mash out, mad. Fish them can't mash out, mad man. You know how to mash out fish. Overs. Guys, just stay tuned for the badness in the plate.